Hello, fellow traders. So I come to you once again with our EURUSD markup and analysis. So this is a series that we'll be doing from time to time. On Friday, we did EURUSD markup analysis, and then it is playing out so well. So now let's get to know why we took the trades and why we are selling or why we sold Euro USD. So first of all, if we are to see from this side, okay, if you are to see from this side, you can see that market was forming high highs and high lows. Let me try and take off everything on the chart so that you would have a clean slate, okay, clean slate to learn from. Now, if you can see my pointer, market was rallying up all the way from this side and then got to this side, a little break, then continued going up. Okay, left some wicks here, left some wicks up. So these wicks were cleared, that is to create a new low here. Then market retraced to this side and then broke this low, forming lower lows. Okay, so prior to that, market was forming what? Higher highs on this side. Market was just forming higher highs on this side all the way to this side. So market turned over from this side, from the bullish momentum to bearish momentum. So this is the 4-hour time frame that we are working on. So how are we able to spot this reversal, which is what we are going to do? So how are we going to spot this reversal? Is by one, getting to know the high and getting to know the low. So the high we had was this. We had this high, and then market was working, giving us this wicks. Okay, these wicks. Guess what was giving us these wicks? Okay, market was giving us the first wick, second wick. That is why I marked this zone. Okay, this area like this. That's why I have this line and this zone. I marked this zone. So if you take a good look at this side, okay, if you have to take a good look at this side, the market was trading like this, a wick, and then it will go up, leave a wick here, it went up and left a wick here. There was no close of a candle in this area. There was no candle close in this area. The first candle close was this bearish candle close. Okay, this first bearish candle close. So followed by what? This bullish candle close. Okay, followed by this bullish candle close. But if you had to take a little bit consideration in depth, we would be able to spot this side. Okay, this low, market breaking this high, forming this low. Okay, forming this low, and then if you can see there's a low here. Okay, there's a low here, but we are on what 4-hour time frame, so you wouldn't spot certain things clearly. Markets formed this high and then broke this low. Okay, like this. It came below this. It came below this close, because all these are what wicks. So these are what, it's a close. Okay, a close. So in other words, you can say that this is what OB. Okay, most people would call it OB, order block. So some sort of order block, because there was what, a break above. So this was the high, and then market broke above this. Okay, there was a break above this. So this will serve as what's OB. Now market rejected in this area. First went up, rejected here, and then pierced through with what, a wick, followed by what's a close below this, a close below what, this. Okay, then this candle was bullish. Still, market is still closing above our zone, marked zone. Now this area, which some will call it order block, okay, from this wick to this wick. So we cleared this area, okay, we cleared this zone, Let me make it a different color. Okay, we cleared this zone. We cleared this zone. Okay, this zone, this particular zone, creating a new low here with a candle close. Then our high is this, our low is this. We are seeing which one will be taken out first. Now, market went to this area, okay, this OB to what? To reject. Okay, there is no close above, there's no market or price close above, just a wick. And then there was a wick here, which was lower than this lows. And then we finally got what? A close, a candle close here. Okay, we finally got a candle close here. Okay, so this candle did what? Closed. Okay, the candle did what? Closed in that zone. But it did what? It wicked, it gave what? A wick in this area, followed by what? Another bullish candle, by another bullish candle. So if you go to the smaller time frame, I took this trade on a smaller time frame based on the analysis I did over there. So I took this trade on a smaller time frame. So as you can see over here, our another OB here has been marked. This is how I mark my OBs. Okay, it may not be perfect as anybody is doing it. This is how I take my trade, and this is how it works for me. Okay, everyone and how they take their trades. Some may give it so many names. I don't have so many names to give it. So giving it the simple names help me to identify the flow or the pattern that I'm trading. So market projected, traded into that area. Okay, left a wick. You can see left a wick here, which I took this trade as well. Okay, I took this trade over here. Left a wick here, and then started trading below. It's left where it closed what? It broke the structure. So now you can see we are getting lower lows here. Just as you know, anytime there are lower lows forming, you know that what? The market is what? Bearish. Okay, lower lows forming. So break of structure, and then what? A strong impulse move towards the side. Okay, a strong impulse move towards the side. A strong impulse move. A strong move towards the side, followed by this 1, 2, 3, three little candles. Okay, these three little candles, if you can take close look at them. Okay, they followed by these three little candles. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The next candle was what? A bearish candle, engulfing or taking over these candles. Okay, 1, 2. So this place would serve as what? OB, or may serve as what? OB, other block. And all this entire zone. Okay, this entire zone. So you can see that the next candle here did what? You see, I've named this area OB based on the smaller time frame. So on the smaller time frame, that's the 15-minute time frame, you will see an OB here. Your market traded in there and then rejected here, this swing low. Okay, followed by this candle, it went up to this OB. If you can see, that we spotted this area as what? Our OB. Okay, which market actually went in and then dropped all the way down here to create a new low. Okay, a new low here, and then rejected in this area, went up again, and then dropped, and then went all the way up to this area. Okay, to clear all distance. If you go to the smaller time frame, you would get to see where and how price got to this area, because there was a little bit of consolidation over here on the smaller time frame, which I think got this entry. Okay, so there was a strong move downwards here towards this side, breaking this. Okay, so we had what? A break here. So this was another entry for me that I took from this side to this side. So this is how and why I anticipated the sell on this. So on Friday, this is what's actually shared with you guys, and we may see more sell to the downside. We are just following what price is going to give us. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame and let's see what's actually happening there. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that there was an OB here, okay, an OB here, which was right in between this, okay. There was an OB, there was a low, there was a high, and then there was what, a break of structure here. Then right after that, market traded all the way to this side, okay. Market traded all the way to it didn't get to the zone, it didn't get there, and then it started dropping. It changed character, and then it dropped from this side, okay. Dropped all the way from this side to the side, and then market traded sideways all the way up to this, okay, to this zone, and then it dropped sharp, very sharp to the side, and then this was what, our low here. The reason why I named this demand or supply area, this D or S, as there was a strong two impulse moves here, 1 2, which broke this. So definitely price will try to do what, balance certain things, okay. Price will try to do what, balance it, which price got into that area and then now coming down here, okay, now coming down here. So there was a shift. You can see right here there was a shift, break of structure going up like this to this area and then dropped. So which it left what, an OB, okay. It's left an OB, another block here. This was our low when market was forming higher highs. It broke this low, so this OB got the entry, boom. This is what 1:5 risk to reward ratio trade, and it's beautiful. So this is how I took my trade, or this is how we got the sells on EURUSD. Stay tuned for more details, okay. Stay tuned for more details. I'll be sharing more of these on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and then click on the icon to get all the updates that we'll be sharing with you. Thank you all, and may you all have a blessed day, blessed week. Bye.